Just Kermit and Emma preening each other. Just preening his daughter to make sure she's okay. She's all presentable around the head. I do think they look so adorable when they do it. Try and get some better light. How did you even tell make his face out? I knew he was going to do that. I just knew it. It's really funny now because he's now looking over on the phone to see the image of his daughter. He seems to be enjoying being able to see behind him through the camera. Oh, now he's turning around on the phone. He's going to jump back. I do like how they've started using the camera as a perch as well. Or should I say my phone? I need to buy them trackers. I've decided that at some point I will end up taking them outside and putting some leads on them. If I get trackers for their feet as well. Because if one of these birds was to fly away, I'd be following the tracking on it straight away to go and get them. But I've got to try and permanently reinforce in them both the area around my flat so that they can look out the windows to know where the area is, and also for them to eat from my hands so that if I do find them out, I can easily just hand feed them and then pick them up, put them in a carrier and then bring them back.